p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Rockford, or 9 miles northwest of Salina, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar indicating
Good job, you're still off the air.
The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Trinity and New Corydon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: J. Indiana,